Departments of transportation across the country are facing the next generation of infrastructure challenges, driven by the need for smarter systems, safer roadsides, and long-term sustainability. For years, steel poles have long been the standard for roadside deployments, but they weren't built for today's infrastructure demands. These next-level challenges require a next-generation solution, and EasyStreet's poles are leading the way forward. In clear zones, safety is not negotiable. Breakaway functionality is a federal requirement. Steel poles can only be used with breakaway components like specially designed bolts or transformer bases. These systems are subject to a strict 1,000-pound total weight limit, and that includes the weight of the pole itself. With steel poles often weighing 750 to 800 pounds, there's very little capacity left for mounting essential equipment. And in the event of a crash, their heavy mass can contribute to more severe impact outcomes, making them a higher risk option for roadside use. Enter EasyStreet's composite poles engineered to buckle or crumple on impact. This design reduces crash severity, offering a safer outcome for drivers while allowing significantly more payload capacity and simultaneously improving equipment loading capacity in clear zones. It's a game changer in roadside safety for new system deployments. Composite poles are just as strong as steel at 20% of the weight. And here's where the numbers speak volumes. A 20-foot flange-mounted steel pole, 750 to 800 pounds. That leaves little room for necessary equipment with the 1,000-pound limit. EasyStreet's 20-foot composite pole weighs just 170 pounds, freeing up over 800 pounds of usable capacity for radios, IoT devices, lighting, sensors, and more. And it's not just weight, it's time and cost. Composite poles install in half the time, with fewer people and less equipment. That means lower labor costs and fewer traffic disruptions. The Alabama DOT was the first to approve direct buried composite poles in clear zones, paving the way for improved safety and a more modern infrastructure. And because EasyStreet poles are non-conductive and non-corrosive, they add layers of safety steel can't match. No electrocution hazard, no rust, and no long-term risk. Every EasyStreet pole is engineered to meet TIA 222H standards, with wind load ratings and breakaway compliance built in. Our poles are engineered to meet applicable standards across a range of sizes and applications, with proven DOT approvals and field deployments. They align with AASHTO roadside safety principles and meet FHWA and NCHRP 350 guidance. EasyStreet poles are not only lab-tested, they're field-proven with deployments from major carriers, service providers, and neutral hosts in a wide variety of environments and applications. Field modifications are much easier on composite poles than steel. They're also available in various designs to meet aesthetic and zoning requirements, making them versatile for any project. Composite poles also have a 75% lower carbon footprint than steel. They offer a service life of over 50 years with minimal maintenance, supporting long-term environmental goals. EasyStreet's composite poles not only enhance safety and efficiency, they enable rapid infrastructure deployment at a lower cost than steel while contributing to a sustainable future. Reach out to us today to experience the EasyStreet difference.